When Clean Slate was started, I had worked on it years ago. And if you ask me, did I know about it from the pharmaceutical biotech industry? Yes, because it is a product that we know can deliver things in a safe and effective way. However, it's not often used in any kind of pharmaceutical and biotech arena. Instead, it's being used, I feel like, where it should be to begin with, which is a nutraceutical arena, where we're giving people the trace minerals, the vitamins, and we're giving people silica and water that they need in their body. That product was launched in case people couldn't get water that was clean. I wanted them to have a product you could put into water that would help clean it. And now we have all this hydrogen water and all this distilled water, and it's good too, right? But I wanted the ability to travel all over the world and to be able to use a product that would go into even land, air, and water, or to the human body, into animals, and help really not just clean up the body, but also protect and supplement it. There were so many products out there that were detoxing, and I wanted something that would detox, but really just clean the inside so the body could work its magic, so the cells could talk. So communication was opening, understanding that when you have viruses and bacteria and fungus and parasites, and you have pollution and you have different types of vaccines and different types of things that go in your body, not that every one thing is horrible, but there's a tipping point. So being able to give your body back the silica and the water and the trace minerals and vitamins in a bioavailable way that's efficacious and safe was extremely important. And yes, I use different frequencies. I use different polarization, different magnets, different types of technology. I did not put nanoparticles into the product. I used a technology that helps clean the products while I'm doing it, because zeolites can hang on to heavy metals, and so can trace minerals and vitamins. So we have something very different that people don't understand. We have a product that's been cleaned repetitively. So then when it goes into the body, it's delivering something that's clean and effective to your body so that you can work in a better way, be greater, look better. And yes, those patents were approved for reversal of aging, but my target was, how do we make every single person be their greatest self? How do we get to the cause, knowing that we all have been exposed to fungus and bacteria and parasites, and me especially. I think about all the time in all the countries I've been in, and I don't want to take pharmaceutical products. I would rather lean on our products even when I get sick. And that's been the case. And I hope every human being that's been able to experience the products are using it in an effective way to help clean their bodies as well as to help restore their bodies. And that's why Restore was so instrumental, because Restore, being able to go in, I can use an example. If you have a mosquito bite or a tick bite or you're around them, Restore has resveratrol, it has black cumin seed, it has turmeric, curcumin, aloe vera, on and on I could go, because it's there to really give the body the restoration it needs. Your cells need nutrients. If you're going to anti-age, if you're going to look at longevity, those two products alone, used even on the face like I do, once or twice a week, is fantastic. Just make sure you clean it off. If you have different bites and different things, it's not just skin defense and environment that work. These three products really work effectively inside the body and outside the body. And then of course, Zero In was so instrumental to me, because how can you live a life where people are having more and more autism, more and more ADHD, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, ALS, knowing that I can't fix the world, but understanding that as a community, we can give the body tools to help support regardless of what's going on in someone's life. And because of this community being able to file patents around these diagnoses and around the Trinity has been a privilege, because understanding that we've been able to help people, not by making claims we're going to fix everything. We can't fix everything, but what we can do is we can try to give people the tools for their body so their bodies can be their very best. And that's our goal at Root. And I'm very thankful for this community, because a lot of you on here have been with us from the beginning. And those of you that are new, thank you for joining this mission to really do some great things for humanity.
So as we Now move into our 6+ year, and we have this amazing foundation. We are incontrovertible in the creation of the Trinity, right? And it's beautiful that we get to take our anniversary month and we're going to put a focus on this because here's the truth. While Christina is absolutely correct, we can't fix everything because one of my favorite comedians said a long time ago that you can't fix stupid. But when it pertains to your health, we've got most of it pretty well covered. And how do we know that? Because she's a literal nanobiotechnologist that has gone through every major aspect of the body's function and has provided the mechanisms to allow this amazing operating system to work in a way that it's never done before. And we've seen that clinically. Elite athletes, world champion athletes, case studies, outcomes, performance that drugs can't even do. We've got health issues that people had a diagnosis for that no longer exist, not because we treated a disease, but because we took care of the person and the ecosystem, right? And what's the foundation for that? Well, the foundation lies in what the foundation for this company was built upon, the Trinity. Clean slate, zero in, restore. Why? Because you got to start cleaning stuff up, you got to start upgrading, you got to take care of the gut, then you got to feed it. And if you want to feel good and function even better, here's the secret: dopamine and serotonin are amazing. And they are the two most powerful chemicals that we produce. And we give you the means of doing as much as you want.